So yeah, hang in there, I would say, and enjoy what nature has to offer. And I'm going silent now. I actually don't know what mountains I would say, or mountain peaks, the right word maybe. Those, all of them are. I mean, in some of the hikes, at some points, they have like these maps, which basically is a replica of what you see from that point, and they kind of annotate. Okay, and they kind of annotate what peaks there are, so you can literally follow the shape and structure and essentially see what those peaks are. But for some reason, that kind of flattish and three peaks could be Eiger Mongzungfrau, but it feels to be very close, but it should not be this close, and it's not this direction also. I don't know, but yeah, I mean, Eiger Mongzungfrau are, for me, something that I would really want to see. I have seen Matterhorn and a couple of other famous ones like Dom, Bothon, and something. But yeah, I mean, those three, I could not do a lot of hikes there. I was just able to do Grindelwald, and from which I guess in the Bakalpsi you see, I don't know, in the lake, which reflection, I forgot the name of the mountain whose reflection you see, but that's just top class. But the point is, I could not do anything other than that, and that was like in October when I did that. So this year I kind of want to explore these places. Last year it was more getting the mindset and getting the body prepared for these kind of hikes, and this time I believe I'm completely, I mean, I feel I'm completely prepared. I won't say completely, because some hikes can just be brutal for you, like randomly you're walking properly and then there is just one plank hanging there and you have to cross it. So no, I won't say completely, but probably more prepared than what I was last year, to do long hikes, to do like more strenuous ones, to do which are a bit tricky and have to have like careful footing to do those. But you have to pay. There is no free lunch. You have to pay something to enjoy something as grand as these. So yeah, in any case, I hope I'll be able to go and do, like, I have actually identified a number of hikes in those regions, and I mean, if I do go, then I'll be definitely trying to capture them whenever it is safer. Because I can't just capture when I'm, let's say, doing at like 50-degree inclination, I'm going somewhere. So because I have to use my poles, and yeah, in any case, this, we are actually doing the route in the opposite direction, just to be clear. So I don't know, this is better. Like, how would I see if I come from the opposite side, like literally do the opposite direction? So yeah, I mean, every decision, whatever you take, you have to go through it and do what you have to do. This is just heavenly, I mean.